Good morning, this is DailyChilli, and today I'm just going to talk about networking and the importance of networking if you want to be a digital nomad or even if you have your own business. It's actually something that I took it from a book that I'm reading. It's called Serve No Master, and it has a chapter about networking and how important it's networking, like especially for freelancers, digital nomads, or basically like someone that is starting their own business. So in the book it has a lot of tips, and also it's something that I found very interesting. It's like talks about favors and do as much favors as you can. Of course, you have to choose very carefully who you are doing the favors to. Okay, so that's my daily post, and today's sentence, my Chinese sentence for today is 你做公司的学校来吗? En español es ¿viniste en bus a la escuela? Okay, so that's my update for today's post, and today's password is for my daily journal is networking. Okay, see you guys, bye.